to admire everyone and loves to be admired by others. We also admire her. All the best, Ira. Aisha. Enthusiastic Aisha. Aisha is very active and very keen in learning new things. She has good presentation skills. All the best, Aisha. Generous Jamie. Jamie is kind-hearted, always ready to help others and very polite in her behavior. All the best, Jamie. Hadika. Adaptable Hadika. Hadika adapts and dwells well in all situations and has the quality of self-discipline. All the best, Hadika. All the best, Hiran. Khana. Khana is a very gentle and soft-spoken girl. She is an obedient girl and a good listener too. All the best, Khana. Ansh. Jovial Ansh. Ansh makes the class environment lively by making funny faces and cracking jokes. He is very good at making stories by adding his own touch of fun to them. All the best, Ansh. Arman. Superfast Arman. Arman is the Rajdhani Express of the class who is always fast and wants to be first in everything. All the best, Arman. Arush. Vibrant Arush. Arush is always active and full of energy. He loves to share his talks with his teacher and friends. All the best, Arush. Ridhan. Chirping Ridhan. Ridhan has lot of energy to talk whole day with his friends. He loves to imitate people and makes everyone laugh by his funny jokes. All the best, Ridhan. Man Parmar. Stylish Man. Man loves to take rounds in the class and talk to everyone. He is always active and happy. All the best, Man. Man Ruparelia. Man is always happy and with a smile on his face. He loves to mingle with his friends. All the best, Man. Rudransh. Hygienic Rudransh. Rudransh loves to keep himself and his surroundings clean. He would rather clean the area himself than wait for someone to do it. All the best, Rudransh. Sarvottam. Diligent Sarvottam. Sarvottam is an all-rounder. He is very much focused and responsible towards his work. He has leadership qualities. All the best, Sarvottam. Shlomo. Cheerful Shlomo. Shlomo is always happy and with a smile on his face. He loves to play and talk with his friends. All the best, Shlomo. Siddharth. Tutoring Siddharth. Siddharth likes to tutor like a bird in the class, making the class environment lively. All the best, Siddharth. Varun. Sociable Varun. Varun loves to be in the company of his friends. He is always happy. All the best, Varun. And the last is Samanyu. Studious Samanyu. Samanyu is a confident orator and a good friend of books. He is a good reader too. All the best, Samanyu. Thank you very much.
Now I request Chipmunk student to please come forward and take your certificates. First we have with us Alvira. Generous Alvira. A soft-spoken girl, she is shy but she has a good rapport with her classmates. She is well behaved and respectful to others. We wish you good luck, Alvira.
Look here.
Next is Anushka Soni. Resplendent Anushka. Anushka looks resplendent whenever she gets ready for any occasion in the school. All the very best, Anushka. Next we have with us Aradhya Maurya, the storyteller of the class. Aradhya loves to listen to stories and add her own touch and element of fun to them. Happy narrating and we wish you good luck, Aradhya. Next we have Aisha Saifi, studious Aisha. Aisha is a bookworm. His favorite pastime is to read books. Books mean the world to her. We wish you good luck, Aisha. Next is Jenica Mabian, the tapping toes of the class. She loves to tap her feet on every song and her dance moves are liked by one and all. We wish you good luck, Jenica.
Look here. Thank you.
Next is Mariam Fatma, affectionate Mariam. She likes to be in the company of known people and shows love and affection towards them. All the very best, Mariam. Next is Namra Bai, sensitive Namra. Namra is a soft-spoken girl. She's a fast learner and shows progress in all she does. All the very best, Namra. Prisha Kushwaha. Prisha is a creative girl. She loves to add her own creativity in every work she does. And all the very best, Prisha. Sharanya Kole, twittering Sharanya. She likes to twitter like a bird in the class, making the class environment lively with her sweet voice. All the very best, Sharanya. Next we have with us Lisa Saifi, adaptable Lisa. She likes to mold herself according to the situation and surroundings. We wish you good luck, Lisa.
Thank you.
Parents, please keep applauding for them. Ariz Ali, notorious Ariz Ali. All good things come in small packages. That is Ariz Ali, who is like a diamond in a box, as precious as one. All the very best, Ariz Ali. Next is David Shetty, jovial David. David keeps the atmosphere light and jovial with light jokes. He's cheerful and is always smiling. We wish you good luck, David.
Thank you.
Next is Hamdan, caring Hamdan. Hamdan is an intelligent child and takes care of his newborn little sister, whom we call Pari. He's always ready with a new story about her. Good luck, Hamdan, and God bless your Pari.
Thank you.
Mufaddal. Versatile Mufaddal. Mufaddal is great at learning new things and enjoying it. His artistic conscience is always alert and sober. We wish you good luck, Mufaddal.
Thank you.
Next we have with us Nisar. Intellectual Nisar. Nisar is always in deep thought. He never acts without giving his action and deep thought. All the very best, Nisar. Rayyan. Just for Rayyan. Rayyan is full of energy and enthusiasm. His zest for running keeps him active throughout the day. Good luck, Rayyan.
Wait.
Malcolm. Adaptable Malcolm. Malcolm dwells well in all the situations. He is an obedient learner and displays self-respect. All the very best, Malcolm.
Wait.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Suman ma'am, Pooja ma'am, and Rachna ma'am. Now I request our graduate friend Rudransh to come forward for a speech. ठीक है राजेंची काउंटर मैनेजर chairperson Sumanam, Rashid Pujana, principal Rajana, esteemed guests, parents, teachers, and all my dear friends. Happy evening and a warm welcome to all. This is a great pleasure to stand before you and share some blessed moments of the last prayers of a CSS. I still remember my first day in school when I saw many students crying and holding their hands on the pen. I was also a bit scared, but things changed very soon, and our fear changed into constant learning. You know, we learned so much things. We learned to read and write, we learned phonics, fertilizers, rhymes, numbers, good habits, and more else. We also enjoyed it and as we spread content, discuss, sourcing, and using. All these activities help us to grow physically, mentally, and emotionally. Your teachers, you have always lessons for us despite our naughty ways. You have laid a strong foundation in us. Your love and care will be treasured in our hearts. Thank you for molding us. We also thank our parents for encouraging us. We are now ready to meet the challenges of private school. Finally, I thank my fellow graduates, cheers and congratulations. Once again, I thank everyone present for this training. Thank you. Thank you, Rudransh. Now I request Suman ma'am and Rashna ma'am and Pooja ma'am to come on stage to give certificate to our Clayton and Caterpillar friends.
Polite Devika. She is very soft-spoken and respectful towards her classmates. She fills the air with her happiness. All the best, Devika. Akshri. Delightful Akshri. He is such a delight to be with his presence in the class. Brings joy and happiness. All the best, Akshri. Ikra. Lovely Ikra. She's lovely as a rose. Her lovely smile makes heart happy. All the best, Ikra.
All the best, Aman.
Aman.
Mannat, compassionate Mannat. She is very sweet girl and likes to be quietly observe the things around her. She has a soft and a kind heart. All the best, Mannat. Anna Panchal.
Thank you.
Cheerful Anna. He likes the classroom environment. Keep the cheerfulness in you, Anna. All the best.
Thank you.
Reva. Ingenious Reva. We love Reva's creativity and free spirit. She is bundle of talent and energy. All the best, Reva. Aryan.
Thank you.
Captain Aryan. He is an active participant and displays leadership qualities. All the best, Aryan. Sarah.
Thank you.
Affectionate Sarah. She shows love and care for others and is always ready to help those in need. All the best, Sarah. Ayan.
Thank you.
Intellectual Ayan. He loves to talk about the creative and intelligent stuff. All the best, Ayan.
Thank you.
Shisha. She has a big heart, always concerned about others. All the best, Shisha. Krishna. Disciplined Krishna. We always count on him to follow the classroom rules. He is balanced, personified. All the best, Krishna.
Thank you.
Devansh. Dedicated Devansh. He performs all the tasks in class with dedication and always strives to excel in all he does. All the best, Devansh. Parents, can we hear a clap from yours? Arnab Thakur. He always has a smile on his face. He melts all the hearts with his sweet smile. Keep smiling, Arnav. All the best.
Thank you.
Summer.
Come here.
Honest Summer. He is truthful, virtuous, and honest child. His behavior in class is commendable. All the best, Summer.
Thank you.
Yuvan. Intellectual Yuvan. He has good knowledge of all the millennial culture. Keep discovering. Yuvan, all the best.
Thank you.
Obama. Friendly Obama. He has made lot of new friends. His friends are his treasure. All the best, Obama. Ahmad. Versatile Ahmad. He likes to perform various tasks effectively and enjoys each one of them. All the best, Ahmad. Now it's creating class turn. Arya. Arya Chakwe. Sweet Arya.
She has a sweet voice and a sweeter nature. She is the sweetest girl in the class. All the best, Arya. Rehan. Resolute Rehan. He is very focused and determined to achieve what he strives for. All the very best, Rehan. Zara. Enchanting Zara. She shines like a bright star and lightens the people around her. All the best, Zara.
Look here, Zara.
Arif.
Thank you. Thank you.
Silent Arif. He is a silent observer who likes to silently observe his surroundings and learn silently. All the best, Arif. Anjani, congenial Anjani. She has a ravishing smile and has a talent to make everyone she meets happy. All the best, Anjani. Vedant Mishra. Clever Vedant. His refreshing smiles and words catch our attention and brings happiness around. All the best, Vedant. Hafsa.
Thank you.
Honest Hafsa. She strives to help our classmates with sincerity and honesty. All the best, Hafsa.
Thank you.
Aryan. Determined Aryan. He does things with excellence and is determined to do whatever he takes on hand. All the best, Aryan.
Thank you.
Parashi.
Come here, come here.
Sincere Parashi. Her sincerity and hard work is beyond comparison. She performs all tasks with excellence. All the best, Parashi.
Thank you.
Vedant Mehta. Curious Vedant. He is very creative child and he is curious to learn new things. All the best, Vedant.
Look here. Thank you.
Alisha, compassionate Alisha. She is a kind-hearted person and excels in whatever she does. All the best, Alisha.
Look here. Look here, look here. Look here, wait, wait, wait. Go back, go back. Thank you. Thank you.
Harshvardhan. Actor Harshvardhan. He is full of energy and he is like a honeybee buzzing in the class. All the best, Harshvardhan.
Thank you.
Heidi, dazzling Heidi. She has a very sweet smile that makes memories sweeter. All the best, Heidi.
Look here. Thank you.
Athar, diligent Athar. He is a well-mannered child. We hope you ignite a brighter future ahead. All the best, Athar.
Look here. Thank you.
Samrajini, majestic Samrajini. She is very graceful. She has leadership qualities and sets good example. All the very best, Samrajini.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ayan Sheikh.
Sociable Ayan. He is good at heart. He loves to communicate with others. All the very best, Ayan.
इधर लेते हो
Charming Ashvika. He is very cute and loves to dance and mesmerizes everyone with her charming moves. All the best, Ashvika.
थैंक यू बुला लो
Ayan Hishe. Excellent, Ayan. He has a positive attitude and an incredible insight. We love to listen to your funny stories. All the very best, Ayan.
थैंक यू अब्दुल निकला देखा
Ilyas.
अब्दुल नीचे
Amiable Ilyas. He is very loving by nature and always has a smile on his face. All the very best, Ilyas.
लुक हियर